Solve how to fix RuneScape keeps crashing on Windows. 1. Make sure your PC specs meet the requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Run RuneScape in compatibility mode. Like this. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Clear the game cache via Steam agent. 5. Verify the integrity of your game files in Steam. 6. Adjust the graphics settings. See details below. Graphics tab, the low or mid settings. Depth of field, disable. Ambient occlusion, disable. Bloom, disable. Shadows, disable. Anti-aliasing, disable. Water detail, low.